Hey, good morning, everybody. Busy Dad here. So it's 6 a.m. in the morning. Someone asked me if we can still catch fish at the fishing pier. So although it's Sunday today, I'm not sure how busy it'll be. But I just thought I'd check out the fishing pier at Hemenway and see if we can hook up some fish. So stick around. Ooh, I can get that. No, it's a rod holder. Okay. Yeah, nice seeing you guys again. Good luck to you guys. Look at that.
Alright, good to see you, bro.
Uh-huh. I am here at the Hemenway Fishing Pier, and somebody asked me, can you still catch fish at the fishing pier? So the answer is you can. I was just here earlier. There were a couple other guys, and they were catching several catfish. So right now it's a little after 8 o'clock. It's overcast, nice and cool, perfect day. So when it's perfect day for the humans, it's not necessarily good for the fish, but we're gonna fish here for a while and then see if we can hook up to any fish. So
Daddy fishing, right?
yeah.
Take a picture?
Oh, sure, absolutely.
I'm watching your
Oh,
video.
thank you. What was your name?
Mike.
Mike? Oh, nice to meet you. Okay.
I will
Yeah. Huh? Now I got away.
You got away?
Yeah. Came off. Oh, it was a carp. Yeah. You too. Thanks. Oh, cool. I never caught one ghost carp, so. Yeah, appreciate it. What was your name? Peter.
Peter?
Yeah.
That's right. Manny.
Manny?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Do you want me to land this? Then I can. There you go. I'll just bring him over here. There. Thank you. Appreciate it. Wait on this guy.
Is that fake or real?
Looks.
Bass Pro Shop get that? Man, what is it?
12 pounds, 9 ounces. So
how much?
12 and a half pounds. So 11 and a half. My net's exactly a pound. So okay, first fish for the day. 11 and a half pound carp. You guys want him?
No.
There you go, bud. Okay, got the skunk off the boat.
Yeah, we're gonna go try that spot and then
Okay.
I'll text you and tell you if we have any luck.
Yeah, let me know. Good luck.
Out here.
Uh-huh.
We'll see you next time.
All right. Good luck.
So what you trying to catch over here?
Just anything. But
You trying
Oop,
to catch?
oop.
There we go.
Oh no, came off. But at least it's good to get bites. So according to my watch right now, yeah, the time from 10 it's supposed to be really good. So maybe you guys, when you get out there, the bite will be on. But yeah, good luck.
Good meeting you.
Yeah, nice meeting you too.
They might be passing by. Is that a carp rod?
No, this is just a regular one, so. Yeah, I think you're okay. Just,
You got him?
yeah, I think so. Come here, bud. Oops. Got it. Thank you very much.
Yep. Nice. That's a nice one, man.
Oh, do you want it?
Carp.
Okay. Seven and a half. Yeah, earlier the one was like 12 and a half, so. Yeah. Okay, second fish for the day. Oop.
Caught that right on the side of the highway. Really? Dang. Oh. Well, that's a big fish. I made one before with the drywall screw. And then yeah, that's so that bait. We get a brush bait, pack the whole tail, pack the full bait, they're shallow. Yeah, me and Dakota did it one time. I have to avoid my back right now, dog. I think this one's bigger than the last one, for sure.
Okay, huh?
Huh? That's another carp.
Yeah?
Yeah. Come here, bud. Stay away from my line.
Carps, man. So this guy was asking about crappies. You know crappies?
Yeah,
They got them in here?
yeah, they do. Like,
Worm on the end, you begin. Yeah.
yeah. Come there, bud. Okay, thank you very much.
It's a big one right there. You know, I thought he was like, hey, you just going to bed right now. Yeah.
At least it's a pretty fish. It's got some good colors.
Somebody just take the hook and stick it in the scale.
That's how I usually do it. It's hard with those ones because yeah, they don't have the lip.
9 pound, 5 ounces, so 8.5. Okay, third fish for the day. Okay, thanks, bud. Huh? Another carp. Look, there was one carp and then there was another one that followed him.
Oh, girl.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a small
Oh,
one.
where you got him at?
It's in the mouth, but like I think, well, I don't know.
Like in the head. Oh, it's in the mouth.
Yeah.
Look at that joint.
Oh, yeah. Come here, bud.
Man, you catching them calls out? Yeah.
Yeah. Oops. Oops. Perfect.
Oh, shit.
So, yeah, this is a small one, so. Okay, fourth fish for the day. You guys want them?
Not thanks.
Huh? Okay, see you, bud. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Nice meeting you guys. Uh-huh. Well, that is going to do it from this episode of Busy Dad Fishing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, please consider subscribing and join my community. So today we came to the fishing pier again. My previous outing, I fished here. I didn't catch anything, but I hooked up to a really big carp that bent the heck out of the 2 hooks. So I wanted to come back and then target some carp, and sure enough, we were able to land 4 different carps. So the first one was the biggest, about 11.5 pounds. And then just gradually they went smaller, but nonetheless, catching carp is always fun. They give a heck of a fight. So if you never tried it, give it a try. And if you need any help, feel free to let me know. Ask me any questions in the comment section. I'll get back to you in a day or 2. Well, with that, thanks for tuning in again. Until we see you on the next one. Bye now.